Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto-join Wi-Fi on MacBook. So if you want to turn on auto-join or maybe turn off auto-join for specific Wi-Fi on your MacBook, it's very simple. So you can open your system preferences. You can go to network, select on network, and choose on Wi-Fi. Select on advanced, and in here your preferred networks, you can choose the network name that you want to turn on or maybe turn off the auto-join. Like maybe for example, I will choose this boba to automatically join, automatically connect to my MacBook. So you can select on here auto join, you can check this, and if you want to disable, you want to turn off the auto join, like for this one, this network, you can just uncheck this like this. After that, you can select on OK, and don't forget to select on apply. So now you have managed your Wi-Fi auto connect or auto join on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on or turn off auto join Wi-Fi on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.